What is a computer? Seems like a simple question that would have a simple answer. But does it? Have you ever tried to explain to somebody else what actually is a computer? Do you understand what functions a computer carries out? Do you understand why computers calculate things off of ones and zeros? Do you understand how computers calculate information? You see, gaps in our knowledge around computers and how they function can lead to frustration when we're studying IT topics. However, if you've got a solid foundation around computers and the computer basics and what it is and how they function, it can really propel your studies forward and your understanding forward. This course is designed to fill in all those little gaps of what a computer is and how a computer functions. My name is Andrew Grimes, owner of TechKnowSurge, and I'll be your techno DJ, serving up techno content just for you. And I've designed this course to really help people break into an IT career. So join me as we cover the basics around computers, what they are and how they function. Here's an outline of what we're going to go over in this course, and we'll kick things off talking about what is a computer. We're going to talk about the functions of a computer, components that go into the computer, software that goes on the computer, and the storage part of the computer. Then we're going to get into how do computers work. And we're really going to get granular with this. We're going to talk about those ones and zeros and how there's these gates and these little micro switches and microprocessors. We're going to get into what an integrated circuit is. So we're going to talk all about how these computers work. And then we're going to get into the bits of computers. Bits represent different things. They represent characters like an A and a B and a C. They represent graphics. We transmit bits. We process bits. Well, how does that all happen on a computer? And then we'll get into what computes. And my goal is to give you a different perspective of all the computers we actually have around us. All these computers, we're going to actually tear some of them apart and take a look on the inside of these devices so we can see what are the commonalities between the devices? What are the differences? And so we'll get into our hands dirty with this equipment and actually looking on the inside, which is kind of a cool part about this program. I really recommend anybody getting into IT to take this course, because what I've noticed is that even though we deal with computers on a day-to-day basis, there's these little gaps in knowledge, and this is going to help fill in those gaps. And there's no prior experience that you need when it comes to this course. We're going to start at ground zero and build that solid foundation from the ground up. So I encourage you to take the next steps. Don't wait, and let's get started. Sign up for the course and let's get going.